Welcome. In this video, I'll show the full Onramp deposit flow from starting the purchase to getting USDT into your trading account. First, click Buy USDT on Aptos to start an Onramp deposit. Choose Bank Transfer and proceed to payment. On the Onramp page, enter the amount you want to pay and continue. Confirm the payment method and check the wallet address shown on the screen. Now you'll see the bank transfer details and the exact amount using IMPs in your banking app. After the transfer is completed, return here and click I have paid. Select IMPs again, paste your UTR or reference ID, and submit the claim. Once the deposit is confirmed, close the window. Back on the trading page, open Buy USDT on Aptos again. Swap the received APT to USDT and deposit it into your trading account. When it completes, check your USDT balance or open deposit history to verify. And that's it. You've successfully funded your trading account using the Onramp flow.